Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you're good. I am Tipo from here. I am also good, and today I am here with you to share a new module, LoRa module. This one is Reyax RYLR998 LoRa module. It's a transceiver module, and this tiny little LoRa module is very good enough for powering your wireless technology with LoRa. Okay, and thanks to Reyax Technology Corporation Limited to sending these 2 unit for testing, and thank you. Okay, this is their official site, the Reyax RYLR998. This is the LoRa transceiver module, and this unit actually, and you can see this is the feature you can see here. This is the spec, and good news is it is works only with 3.3 volt, and this is enough for powering with this ESP32 module, DEP module, and this is the actually the spec of this module, and it is very power efficient, power saving, when 2.65 milliampere power only. Okay, and it is support baud rate from 300 to this one, and only need 3-4 pin to works with this with a microcontroller. Okay, TX, you can see TX, RX, ground, and VDD pin. Okay, today we are try to connect with this 2 module with this 2 ESP32 to make 2 unit of, one is act as a transmitter, one is act as a receiver. Okay, so for this we need a microcontroller. You can use Arduino or you can use ESP32, no problem. This module, this transceiver module, and we need some connecting wire. Okay, so that's it. Let's make the circuit. Okay, I already shared the circuit diagram link in the description. Please open the circuit diagram link, the GitHub link actually, and you can find the circuit diagram here. Very simple. The VDD will goes to 3.3 volt, the ground goes to ground, and the TX pin of this RYLR998 module goes to GPIO 16. This is RX2, and this module RX goes to the TX2, that means 17. Okay, so after complete the circuit, we have this 2 unit of our module. Okay, so we'll make one of this is as a transmitter and another one is receiver. Okay, so this LoRa transmitter, I will put this one for this one transmitter, and for this I will make it as a receiver. Okay, so open the code. I already keep the code link in the description, so you can download the code and open the code in your Arduino, and you can see there are a local address and there is a destination address. So local address, that means this is the board itself. Okay, so every unit have its own address. So this is local address, and we make this local address as 1, this local address is 2, and for sending we need a destination address. Okay, so the receiver address, so the receiver address will be 2. So in our transmitter our destination address will be 2. You can see this is the 2. Okay, so the local address is 1 and destination address is 2. So then if our sender publishing the message, it will received by this destination. Okay, so that's it. And I already told you the pin diagram. So RX pin will 16 and TX pin is 17. Okay, so we'll use HardwareSerial here. So this is the LoRa serial 2, and we will send message for every 2 seconds. Okay, so first we will initializing our LoRa serial, and then we will, and this code is for dual mode. Okay, so it can be transmit and receive both. So for first we will use this is a transmitter, and the same code only change the address here, then that can act as a receiver. Okay, so in the setup LoRa we will send first the 80. So if the 80 is giving us okay, then we will set the address, so the local address, and the network ID for the network ID. Okay, so the network ID is here. You can see this is our network ID. This network ID should be same for the both unit. Okay, and the band is, our band is 915 hertz. So that will be, and I hope you can find this with the package it comes. Okay, so that's it. We will configure our LoRa, then we will send message. You can see we will send message. 80 plus send is the command, and the address, the destination address of course will be 2, and the message length first. So we will send the message length first and then the message. Okay, so the message will be we can see this is the message, hello from Tipu. Okay, so this is our message. You can see send message, and the parse message for the receiver unit actually. Okay, so first comma we will use our sender ID, get our sender ID, then the data, so we can get the data and the ID. Okay, so this is very simple and a basic transmitter and receiver. So let's upload the sender code first. Okay, so I will connect a USB in the sender, and let's open the port. This is the port, only one port right now, COM8, and our board is ESP32 dev module. Let's upload the code. First, and in the serial monitor you can see our unit try to send the data hello from Tipu, so our sender start to sending the data, and we will receive, we will make the receiver code first. So please copy, make a copy of this code, let's say save as, and make it a receiver. So make it receiver and save. Okay, so we'll split these two. Let's open this first one also, then 12 mode, and okay, so this is our sender serial monitor, and it will be the receiver. Okay, so we'll need to change, so our local address here will be changed, so 2, and our destination address will be the 1. Okay, so the vice versa, and all are these code will be the same. Okay, so and let's another USB to connect this one, this receiver unit. Okay, and select this port also. So this one is okay, done upload. Let's open the serial monitor, and you can see our receiver is successfully received. That's just, you can see the received. Okay, because it is too fast, 2 second interval, and I just, you can see the received is hello from Tipu -1, -4, and 1. This is at the RSSI value. Okay, and here is 16. That means our payload length is 16. So that's it. Our transmitter and our receiver is working very good, and this is our basic test. And next time we will make a unit with battery, with mobile unit, and we will test the range. Okay, so how far can go with this LoRa module. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you will like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel.